See the question. The question is simple. Prove that root 3 is an irrational. What's the meaning of irrational? अपरिमेय संख्या, irrational number. What's the question? Prove that root 3 is an irrational number. Irrational number means अपरिमेय संख्या. Irrational number means अपरिमेय संख्या. Irrational number means अपरिमेय संख्या. And what's the opposite? Rational. Rational number means परिमेय संख्या. This question is clear. What's the question? We have to prove that root 3 is an irrational number. Root 3 is an irrational number. So there's a very simple method. Suppose if the question is like prove that this is a boy. Prove that this is a boy. What's the meaning of this question? सिद्ध करो कि ये एक क्या है? लड़का है. Prove that this is a boy. Question is same. So the method is we will have to take the opposite. माना कि ये क्या है? What we have to prove, क्या सिद्ध करना है कि ये एक क्या है? लड़का. So we have to take opposite. इसका क्या मानेंगे? लड़की. माना कि ये एक क्या है? लड़की है. Okay. Then we will have to माना कि ये एक क्या है? लड़की है. Then we will try to prove that statement. फिर उसको सिद्ध करने की कोशिश करेंगे कि मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ ये एक लड़की है, ये सही है. वो सिद्ध करने की कोशिश करेंगे कि इसके लंबे लंबे बाल है और कि ये लड़की की तरह दिखता है. We will try to prove that, but at the final step we will get that जो भी मैं बोल रहा था वो क्या है? गलत है. इसके लंबे बाल नहीं है. मतलब ये मैं जो बोल रहा था कि ये एक लड़की है, मतलब ये लड़की नहीं है. So obviously अगर ये लड़की नहीं है तो क्या होगा? लड़का. So this question is also same. Prove that root 3 is an irrational number. So what's the opposite of irrational number? Rational. So what we will suppose, क्या मानेंगे? माना कि root 3 क्या है? Rational number. So let root 3 is a rational number. Always, okay, for all whatever root 3, prove that root 3 is an irrational number, root 5 is an irrational number, root 9 is an irrational number, root 2 is an irrational number. Method will be same to same. We will have to suppose opposite. Let root 3 is a rational number. Root 3 is a rational number. Rational number means p divided by q. P divided by q. Numerator divided by denominator. अंश बटे हर. This is called rational number. So what we supposed? Root 3 is a rational number. So root 3 in math language is means equal sign. In math language is means equal sign. So root 3 equal to rational number. So what I told you, rational number means p divided by q. P divided by q. There is a condition, q should not be equal to 0. जो q है इसका मान बस क्या नहीं होना चाहिए? 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. This much is clear? Okay. Now there is a condition, if there is no denominator, so we can suppose 1. Denominator means जो नीचे आता है. अगर नीचे कुछ भी नहीं है तो क्या मानेंगे? 1. This much is clear? Now between the fraction means भिन्न, जिसमें ऊपर और नीचे दोनों संख्या हो. अंश बटे हर. Numerator divided by denominator. If there is plus sign, minus sign or equal sign between the fraction means उनके बीच अगर plus sign हो, minus sign हो या equal sign हो, so we have to do cross multiply. उसका तिरछा गुना करना है. Is this clear? Now see what's this one is fraction, numerator, denominator, अंश बटे हर. This one is also fraction, numerator, denominator, अंश बटे हर. Clear ना? So this is fraction, and between fraction what's the sign? Equal sign. Between the fraction what's the sign? Equal sign. And just now I told you, if there will be equal sign between the fraction, so which type of multiply? Cross multiply. This p will be multiplied by, okay, let's multiply this one. Root 3 will get multiplied by q is equals to p will be multiplied by 1. Next step, root 3 into q is equals to p ones a p, p ones a p. This step is clear. Now there is a condition like a to z, whatever is between a to z that will be in left hand साइड. ए से लेके जेड के बीच में कुछ भी हो उसको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लेना है. जो नंबर्स है लाइक 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 नंबर्स विल बी ट्रांसपोज्ड इन राइट हैंड साइड. नंबर्स को हम कहाँ पे ले लेंगे? राइट हैंड साइड में. ओके. एंड आफ्टर ट्रांसपोजिंग व्हेनेवर वी ट्रांसपोज मीन्स पक्षांतर, एक साइड से दूसरे साइड में लेके जाना. ओके, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्रांसपोज. ट्रांसपोज मीन्स चेंजिंग द साइड, एक साइड से दूसरे साइड में लेके जाना. नदी के एक साइड से नदी के दूसरे साइड पर लेके जाना. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड ट्रांसपोज. नाउ देयर इज अ रूल ऑफ ट्रांसपोज. सपोज दिस इज अ रिवर, दिस इज अ रिवर. अक्रॉस दिस रिवर द पर्सन वॉज अ बॉय. इस नदी के इस साइड क्या था? एक लड़का. सो आफ्टर क्रॉसिंग द रिवर, जैसे ही वो नदी को क्रॉस करेगा दैट बॉय विल गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ गर्ल. वो लड़का क्या बन जाएगा? लड़की. दैट मीन्स क्या होगा इसका? उल्टा. ओके, दिस मैच इज क्लियर. आफ्टर चेंजिंग द साइड द साइन गेट्स चेंज. जो भी है उसका उल्टा होगा. इफ देर इज प्लस साइन, इफ देर इज प्लस साइन, so after transposing plus will get converted into minus. If this side there is minus sign, so after transposing minus will get converted into plus. If this side there is multiply sign, if this side there is which sign? Multiply. So what is the opposite of multiply? Divide. So after transposing multiply will get converted into divide. Clear na? So whenever we transpose, come. Whenever we transpose, after that sign will get changed. जो भी sign है उसका उल्टा होगा. Okay? And what I told you, what will be left hand side? Numbers or ABCD? ABCD. So what is in ABCD? Root 3 is ABCD. Q is ABCD. So Q will be in left hand side. Equal sign, equal sign. Now whatever is already written in right hand side, first of all we have to write down that. So पहले से क्या लिखा हुआ है? P. So first of all we will write down P. Now see here, what's the sign? Multiply. And now this number has to cross this. Okay, इसको अपना side change करना है. So after changing the side, what I told you, the sign will get changed. What's the sign? Multiply. So what's the opposite of multiply? Divide. And divide always goes down. Divide हमेशा कहाँ पे जाता है? नीचे. Okay, so ये root 3 कहाँ पे आ जाएगा? P के नीचे. This one is clear? This step.
अगर वहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई की जगह प्लस होता है तो
then minus. If
तो वो नीचे आता है कि उसके
no, if there was like plus sign like this one. Okay, suppose this one is plus sign. So after transposing plus would get converted into minus root 3.
बाजू में नीचे नहीं है.
नो, ओनली डिवाइड गोज डाउन. बस डिवाइड अगर हो तो वो नीचे आएगा. डिवाइड को छोड़ के बाकी सब कुछ साइड में. मेथड इज क्लियर ना? ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी द स्टेप नाउ. Now after cross multiply is clear. How we got this step is also clear. After getting this step, we will have to solve one step, squaring. On squaring में दोनों साइड का वर्ग लेने पर. On squaring both side means दोनों साइड में क्या लेने पर? वर्ग लेने पर. स्क्वायर रूट 3 into q square is equals to p ones a p square. This step is clear. Go on squaring both sides means दोनों पक्षों का क्या लेने पर? वर्ग लेने पर. दोनों पक्षों का वर्ग लेने पर. Now there is a condition. Whenever I will just write down anything like this, root 5 square. So always square and root will be cancelled. Square and root will be cancelled. So this root 2 and root will be cancelled. What will be the answer? 5. If I will just write down root 2 square. So what's the meaning of this again? This 2 will get converted into root. I mean this 2 and this root will change, I mean cancelled. So what will be the answer? 2. This step is clear. Now see here, root 3 square. So this one can be written as root 3 square into
Q is good.
q square is equals to
P is
p square. Now square and root will be
cancel.
cancelled. So what's remaining here? 3 into q square is equals to
P is good.
p square. This much is clear. Now we have to follow that ABCD rule and numbers rule, I mean transposition rule. So what we have to transpose, numbers or ABCD?
That
I mean ABCD will be in left hand side and numbers will be transposed in right hand side. So what will be there in left hand side?
P
Q square is equals to whatever is already written in right hand side, that will be same to same. First of all we have to write down that. So what is already written?
P is good.
P square. So P square, what's the sign here? Multiply. So after transposing, multiply will get converted into divide, and divide goes where? Down. So divided by 3. This step is clear. What is given here? P square divided by 3. P square divided by 3. Now see another condition. If there is a mango, if mango square is divided by 5, if mango square is divided by 5, so mango will be also divided by 5. Okay. Second, there's a box. Suppose there's a box. If